Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this interesting set. Pause this video and try it on your own. Okay, let's begin it. Six person live in a six-floor building, each on a different floor, and it is given that the bottommost floor is marked as first floor and the topmost floor as sixth floor. So I've made this six floors, bottommost as first, topmost as sixth. All right. Each one has a different car and each one drives with a different speed. Okay. All their all get their respective car. They're fueled with diesel, each of different amount. Following is the given order of the person according to the increasing order of the speed, which means U travels with a lesser speed than that of P travels with a lesser speed than that of T. So this is increasing order of the speed. Okay, and along with that, it is given the amount for which they got diesel. So this is the amount for which they got diesel. So T got diesel of 100 rupees, P got a diesel of 300 rupees, and so on. So this is what given in the first paragraph, and let's move on to the next paragraph. So when we see this type of arrangement set, what we do first, we fill the data which have 100% certainty. What I mean, let's read the first statement, then we will understand what I mean. The one who got the diesel amount for the least amount lives on topmost floor. So who got the diesel for the least amount? Q got 50, that is Q got. So Q lives on topmost floor. So I know that Q lives on topmost floor. Q is 50. So if I make any more cases, then in that case also Q will occupy the sixth position, sixth floor. So this is my certain case. All right. And we will see if there is any more certain parameter or not. Let's move. Let's see the next sentences. Only one person lived between the one who have Audi and BMW, and none of the two lives on the bottom or second floor. So in this bottom and second floor, there is no Audi, there is no BMW. I have this data. And what else? Only one person live between the one who have Audi and BMW. So Audi, BMW. If this person is having Audi, this will have BMW. If this has Audi, the other person will have B. If this has BMW, the other person will have Audi. So this is what given in this sentence. The one who lives, one having Mercedes lives immediately below Audi. Okay. Now we will segregate these two cases. This is BMW and this is Audi. Why I have segregated? Because we have something related to Audi. One having Mercedes lives immediately below Audi. So this can be Mercedes or this can be Mercedes. So these are the two cases. I have written it separately. We have not filled this in this table right now. Okay. The one who lives immediately above S drives his car at less speed than the one who lives immediately below S. We cannot use this statement right now. We will keep it like it is. Number of persons from whom R's diesel amount less than. Number of persons from whom R's diesel amount less than. So R's diesel amount is 225 and this is less than 250 and 300. So this amount is less than two people. Is less than is one more than the R's flow number. This value is one more than R's flow number, X plus 1. Then X will be first floor, which means R lived on first floor. This is again a certain data that I have. I live on the first floor, 225. Okay, now we have filled this two person in the respective floors. I have not used this data. Two person live between the ones who have Maruti and Ford, given that the person having Maruti is above the one having Ford. So I have this data now. Two person live between Maruti and Ford and Maruti live above Ford. So this is the structure of this sentence. One of them has Honda, okay. Number of person living above the one who drives with least speed, which means it is talking about you. Number of person who's living above you is equal to the number of person who took diesel for amount less than the one having Mercedes. We don't know who have Mercedes, so we cannot use this statement. Neither S nor P has Mercedes. I cannot use this statement also. The one having Audi took diesel for more amount than the one having Maruti. No data available yet. The speed of the one having Mercedes is more than the one having BMW. Still, we cannot use this sentence. Now, what we can do? We have read the entire paragraph and we got only two distinct uh, position that is filled. Now we have four position left and all the cars left. So from here we have to make cases, and how to make cases we will see. We have this two possibilities. Either I can take Maruti Ford or I can take Audi, BMW, Mercedes. Which one will you take? Ask yourself. I will go for this. Why? Because firstly it is covering more area. What I mean by more area, this has four elements, which means if I put Maruti over here, there will be two gap and there will be Ford now. If I put Maruti, two gap, then Ford. Maruti, gap, and uh, Maruti, gap, and Ford. So we will have only three cases with this. Only three cases. Whereas if we take these two, either of these two, we will have multiple cases, more than three cases. Okay. So we will not take this data. We will use this data. It itself has two separate cases, and with this two we will have more cases, so around like 5-6 cases it will form. So we will not use this data as of now. We will see this one. From here we will make three cases, as I have seen. Okay, this is Q. This is certain data. Q is 50 over here. Q is 50 over here. R 225. R 225. Now we will make three separate cases. If I put Maruti over here, then 1 2 Ford. Maruti 1 2 Ford. This is Ford. So we have utilized this condition. Now let's see. Can I make this? Can I put this data in any of these um, conditions? In any of these cases, Audi, Mercedes, BMW, three consecutive gaps should be there. 1 2 not available because this is Ford. Over here also 1 2 Ford no, not available. So we cannot have any such structure. We will always have this structure: BMW, gap, Audi, Mercedes. BMW, gap, Audi, Mercedes not possible. BMW, gap, Audi, Mercedes. This is possible. BMW, gap is filled by Ford, Audi, and Mercedes. But as you can see, Audi cannot come over here, so this case is eliminated. Now, BMW dash Audi Mercedes, this is one possibility, or else BMW dash Audi Mercedes. Audi cannot come over here, so there is only one possibility over here. BMW dash is filled by Maruti, Audi, and Mercedes, and the leftover is Honda. BMW dash no, BMW dash Audi Mercedes. This is possible. BMW dash Audi and Mercedes, and the leftover is Honda. So we have filled all the cars in all these six flows. Now we are left with the person. Okay. Now and we have two cases available. Audi, BMW. This condition is also satisfied, and this condition is also satisfied. Now let's see what we can do. We have this condition: neither S nor P have Mercedes. So S and P cannot come over here, and over here S and P cannot come over here. So what are the possibilities of Mercedes, of the person having Mercedes? S cannot come over here, P cannot come over here, Q cannot, R cannot. So what are the available person? That is U or T. Either U or T. Similarly over here, either U or T. Okay, I will erase this part, S and P wala part. All right. Now let's, is there any statement with U or T? There is one statement. I have marked it over here. Number of person living above the one who drives with the least speed, which means it is talking about you. So number of person living above you. If I place you over here, then there will have 3 person living above you is equal to the number of person who took diesel less than the one having Mercedes. For example, if I take you over here right now, number of person living above you is 3, and this is equal to the person who has number of person who have taken less amount than the one who has Mercedes. You has Mercedes, 150 is you. How many person are less than 150? Only 2 persons are less than 150, but we want 3 person. 3 has to be equal to 3, so you cannot come over here. So from here it is certain that T will come over here. Similarly over here also, number of person living above you, if I take you over here, number of person living above you, that will be 1 2 3 4. 4 person are living above you, and that should be equal to the number of person uh, number of person who took diesel for amount less than the one having Mercedes. You have Mercedes, which means you has 150. Number of person less than 150 are T and Q, that is only 2. 4 cannot be equal to 2, so you cannot come over here. So the only possibility is T. Okay, fine. Now we are almost done with this set. What else can we see? I will write over here T is equal to 100. Number of person are, this is done. 2 person, okay, fine. The one having Audi took diesel for more amount than the one having Maruti. I cannot use this statement. The speed of Mercedes is more than speed of BMW. Okay, fine. Speed of Mercedes is T is more than BMW, which is contradicting. Speed of BMW is more than T. So this case is eliminated. So we are left with only one case. Okay, fine. I'm using this statement. The speed of Mercedes, who is Mercedes? T. T is more than the one having BMW. Who, who are the people who is less who has less speed than T? It's only U and P. U or P will be over here. Either U or P. All right. So this is two case, P or U. Now what else can we see? Again, we have to use this statement, which is taking U, number of person living above the one with least speed. So I will consider this thing as U. If I take this thing as U, number of person living above the one who drives with the least speed, that is, it is talking about U, and number of person living above U is 1, is equal to the number of person who took the diesel amount for number of person who took diesel for amount less than the one having Mercedes. So T is 100 and less than T is only 50. So U is satisfying. 1 is equal to 1. Number of person living above U is equal to number of person having uh, diesel amount less than T, that is 50. 100 is less than 50. Sorry, 50 is less than 100. Only one person is there. So this is satisfying. U will come over here, T will come over here, and U is 150. All right. And now what else? And, there is one statement using P and S, a Maruti and Audi. The one having Audi took diesel for more amount than the one having Maruti. Uh, we have only these two data, these two person P and S. The one having Audi took diesel for more amount. This is more, so this has to be Audi. So P is Audi and S is 250 is Maruti. So we have made this arrangement. There is again one statement left for which from which we can verify the one who lives above S, the one who is living above S, that is U, drives his car at less speed than the one who lives below S. That is, it is talking about P. So U is less than P, and this is satisfying. U is less than P. This is satisfying. So this arrangement is correct. So we have got the answer. This is the correct arrangement. I hope you have understood this set, and thank you for watching this video.